Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh, and from past few videos I have been working on developing a dance academy website using PHP, MySQL, jQuery and Bootstrap framework. In my last video I completed the functionality of designing the dashboard of a student, and now in this video I will discuss about displaying the categories and the dance forms here on the home page of our dance academy website. Okay, so here you can see there is already I have created a banner in my earlier videos, and below this banner I just want to display various categories in the form of a carousel, and below the categories I want to display the various dances which admin has uploaded on this platform also in the form of a carousel. Okay, so this is what we are trying to discuss in this video. So before coming to this feature, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you have any doubts or queries, then feel free to write in the comment section. Okay, so now let us start our discussion of displaying the categories and dance forms on the home page. So here you can see I have opened my project here on the editor. Okay, so here first, to display the categories in the form of a carousel, we need to include few CSS and JS files. Okay, so I'm making use of Slick Carousel. So I will put the link of these files in the description, and along with these CSS and JS files, I have also written a few jQuery code here, so which will help me to run the carousel properly. Okay, so now let's come to our index PHP file. Okay, so this JS code and this files I have included in my header PHP file. So now let me just come to my index PHP file. So here this is the place where I have ended the banner. Okay, the container gets ended here, and immediately after the container gets completed I have created a wrapper. Okay, and a row to display the title as dance categories. Save it, and now let's refresh. You will see dance categories title started displaying. Then I have created a row, and then another div with a class of logo slider. Okay, so this logo slider is a class which comes from slick min.js and slick min css file. Okay, then here I have included my database configuration files because I need to get the details of the categories from the database tables. That's why I have included the database configuration files. And then I have written an SQL select query to get all the categories from the categories table. Then I'm executing that SQL query, and then I'm checking if I have a record present in the table. Then I will iterate those records using the while loop. Okay, and then I will display the information. Okay, so here I have created a div. Just come down. Okay, a div of 4 column, and inside that div I have created another div with a class of category box, uh, which contains an image. Okay, that means I'm displaying the category image here. Okay, so this row, with the help of this row, I'm trying to display the data which I have fetched from my MySQL table, and I'm displaying that image here inside the image tag. And also I need to display the tag name. Okay, so if the admin has assigned any tag while uploading the categories, then that tag name will display, otherwise it will display none. Okay, now you can see if the tag name is not equal to null, that means if any category contains the tag name field also, then it will get that tag name also to display. Okay, save it. Now let's refresh. Now you can see uh, these kinds of images of categories started displaying. So these are the tag names. Okay, I can easily scroll horizontally, okay, on both the sides, Okay, so these are the category images which admin has uploaded for various categories. Okay, now I also need to display the buttons below the image of each of every category. Okay, so now to do that, here I have created one more div with a class of category name and a span to display the name of the category, and then a link, okay, which will allow me to make a request to the view dance form PHP file. If I want to view all the dances present under that category, then I just need to click on this view dance forms. Okay, let's save it, let's refresh, and you will see the category name along with the view dance form link started displaying. So if I want to view all the dance forms present under any of these categories, then I just need to click on the view dance form link. Then another page gets opened where I can see all the related dance forms. Okay, now here you can see in this piece of code, here I have uses some classes like category box class. Okay, and then I have used a trend class, then category name class. Okay, so these are the custom CSS classes. So these classes I have written here in my header PHP file. You can see, okay, a wrapper. Okay, so here I have written the CSS code for the wrapper which I have created here, wrapper. Okay, and then a category box. Okay, so that class is here. For I have written the CSS for this category box class here. Okay, and span. Okay, span inside the category box. Okay, so this span, and then category name. Okay, and then span under category name. So this is our category name, and then this is the span. Okay, so the CSS code for each and every of these classes I have written in the header PHP file, and I have also written the CSS for trend as well. Okay, which you can see I have used the class here trend. Okay, so now let's save it, and when I refresh you will see this kind of design. Okay, now similarly I need to display the dance forms as well. So to display the dance form, I need to come back to the index PHP file, and here immediately I completed the category section, which is this wrapper. Okay, here I have created a container with some custom CSS styling, and I have created a div with a class of wrapper again. Okay, and then I have created a row under that. Save it to display the title as popular or trending dance forms. You see, title started displaying, and then I have created a row, and again I have created a logo slider class, and again I have included the database configuration file. And here you can see, based on the tag name which is popular, I want to display only those dance forms and their category names whose tag belongs to popular. Okay, let's save it. Okay, and now then I will execute this SQL query. Okay, and then I will check if I found any record. Then if I found any records, then I will iterate over those records using this while loop, and then I will go for displaying the details of image, then dance name. Okay, category box, and then image to display the dance image, and then the category name div to display the dance name, and then a enroll now link which will allow the students to enroll into that particular dance. Okay, save it. So here you can see, in this particular section I want to display the image name, dance image name, which is dance form, dance image. Okay, and then dance name, and then category name also I can display. So here in this SQL query, since the data is coming from multiple tables, that is from dance form table and the dance categories table. That's why I have to join both of these tables. Okay, so based on the common field present in both the tables, which is category ID. So now let's refresh the page, and you will observe that the various dances started displaying. So now the dance name and then enroll now button along with the dance image. Okay, so I can also scroll these dance forms on the right side and also on the left side. Okay, so this is what I wanted to discuss with you in this complete video. Okay, so now in this video we have learned how to create this carousel kind of feature where I can display various categories and various popular or trending dance forms. Okay, so I hope you guys understood how to design such kind of feature in any website. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. In my next video I will come up with some other feature of the home page, and that's all for this video, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. And if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.